we're about to take the boat to Universal Studios.
Adventure will close at 10 p.m. Then 2 hours after that will be City Walk at 12 a.m., also known as midnight. The last boat from the hotel to City Walk will be 11:30 p.m. and the final boat returning from City Walk to the hotel will be at 1:15 a.m. If you go to the City Walk dock at 1:16 a.m. or later, you will find an empty dock, and you will have to take the Walk of Shame. One more time, please stay in your seats until I say the words all ashore. Thank you for hopefully listening and have a great day.
Yeah, this walk's a lot longer than I thought it was.
Today, and it is going to be a hot one, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a busy one, but we're going to see what we can do. Rest in peace, Shrek. And your sacrifice will be given to Minions, which I don't know why. We're going to get another Minions ride, but you know, could have brought Back to the Future or something like that, but no, you're gonna go do another Minions ride because you're gonna wear that IP out. And not only that, to our discovery, they're closing down Monsters Cafe and sacrifice some more Minions, so they're gonna make a Minions restaurant, or maybe not. I have no idea. But you know, what do you know? Wear the IP out. Tribute store is new. We can't wait to check that out. I've heard they've got really cool stuff in there. This is our old stomping grounds, babe. We've been here probably over 100 times when we worked down at Disney.
Yeah, if we didn't work for Disney, I think we probably came here more than once.
Yep. All right, we're about to go into Diagon Alley. Been here several times, but we're gonna try to ride Gringotts first. This line can be ridiculous, and it's just something else when it's packed. So we're gonna find out if it's gonna be long, but if not, we'll just ride it anyways, wait in line. But this to me is one of the most impressive things in any theme park I've ever been to. I'm not a big Harry Potter fan. My wife likes Harry Potter, but the Star Wars land at Disney World, they tried, and it's pretty good. The ride queues at Disney World for Star Wars are really good, but this place, it makes me into a Harry Potter fan. I really like it. But if you look at the signs are just so detailed. Everything looks like it's literally from the movie set, and it just does a good job of transporting you. And the rides are something else too. Just the detail is just so cool. It's just, I don't know how much money they poured into this thing, but it makes you feel like you're really in Harry Potter.
So this is the queue for Gringotts.
Yes. We're about to open an account. An account of death. That ride is something else, isn't it?
I think it's the best ride here.
I don't know. I like the Mummy myself, but this ride is something else. If you haven't been on it, it's like the Mummy and it's like the Mummy and Spider-Man if they had a baby. I guess Spider-Man, Transformers, and the Mummy had a baby. That's what this ride would be. It's really, really cool. Lots of good effects. Makes you really feel like you're on the roller coaster. Well, the mine train going down to the bank. It is really cool. Weasley's Wizards Whiz Bangs. We're gonna go in here and see what this is all about. I think this is just a bunch of childish games. Yes, it's childish games. Oh, another fluffy ball. I don't know what that is. It looks like a rat.
I forget the name of that.
A rat that turns into like a purple fluff ball. What's it called?
It doesn't say. They do have a name. They talk about that.
What is a chocolate frog? Is it like a gummy bear?
Like a chocolate covered.
It's chocolate, but is
It's
it
chocolate covered.
is it chocolate covered gummy bear? Is that what it is?
I know. It just has it has chocolate liqueur in the middle.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Is that okay? Yeah.
Very, very cool. I've never been in here before. I've only ridden the rides. It's very interesting to go through the stores. That would be so cool. Thank you.
Somebody lend a helping hand. All right, Theo, over there.
This is the train station. You can take it to Islands of Adventure. It's a lot of fun. We don't have park
The
hoppers though.
Hogwarts Express.
Yeah, it's for the Hogwarts Express. Sorry.
Now this is King's Cross.
It's a train.
Leave it out.
And RIP Jaws. I've only been on it once when I was a child, and it was a lot of fun. They need to bring all these old rides back. That's one thing that they miss here. So from what I hear, this is the best ride on property. Isn't that right, Carly?
What?
I don't know. I've heard
Really
it's the
kind of
best.
don't want to ride this.
I've heard it's kind of the best ride ever. But we'll see. You know what time it is, Carly?
Boom.
Family time. It's family time. Family. said what?
Would not be able to work this ride.
Hey, baby. What do you think about that?
Okay, so initially I thought maybe it was better than King Kong, but Trey says no, that I'm sadly mistaken. So we'll ride King Kong tomorrow and I'll give a final comparison of the two. But
Yeah, it's not even, look, we
it's
waited.
very cheesy,
Yeah.
but I don't know, maybe it was just because it was new to me that I was like, oh, this isn't as bad, but
Yeah, I mean,
give it a 4 out of 10.
if I would, oh no, if I'd waited any longer than what I waited, I would have been like really mad if I paid money to go
I would not wait
just to
longer
ride
than 30
that ride.
minutes
Yeah.
for that.
Yeah, no. I wouldn't even wait more than what we waited, which was about 10, and the pre-shows are what held us up.
Yeah.
So I would even give it a 2.
Yeah.
It's not even so.
It's
Just,
okay.
it can definitely be skipped for sure.
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to go into the tribute store. Let's go check it out, see what it's about.
If only.
Oh yeah, those ticket prices are amazing.
I like how cute this is. Just a little detail. Little ticket stubs. It's cute. Reese's Pieces. Oh, that's so cool.
Wow. Oh, the thing. That's cool.
Oh, this is cute. Hello.
How's it going? Very cool. Wow, all this jaw stuff. You can pay money and it'll make a little shark head. See that? And it'll like
That's sweet.
drop some metal in there.
I don't know what you need that for, but that's kind of cool.
This is one of the coolest things. Oh, Carly. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is really cool. I had that shirt. You know I had that shirt? into a skateboard though, because it's got the holes in it. That's cool. That is really cool. Very, very cool. So that tribute store was one of the coolest things I've ever been inside of.
Yeah.
Lots of good respect to all these old movies and the rides that were there. I think the coolest ones were the Jaws and Back to the Future one for sure was the best one. E.T. was cool just because it felt very nostalgic. But it's just really cool that they have a store dedicated to these awesome rides and movies that used to be here. This is very much appreciative. I really enjoyed that. And this ride's one of the best rides ever. I rode this thing when it first opened up so many times. It's Spider-Man, but way, 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 way better than Spider-Man. Spider-Man's good, but this is way better than Spider-Man.
I disagree, friend.
No, it's good. It's a good time.
This is open till 10 tonight?
Now this is the worst part of the park. I don't know who in the world likes The Simpsons.
Or likes them this much.
They likes them this much. I have no desire at all to watch The Simpsons ever. Unless it's something about predicting something that's going to happen soon, because they're pretty good at that. I think they're 10 for 10 right now on predicting the future. So if you want to know about the future, just watch The Simpsons and they'll predict it. We're about to do the Jimmy Fallon ride. This is a fun thing. It used to be a Twister ride, but I really do like this ride. It's what would you describe it as?
I don't really know. Like a Mickey's Philharmagic.
But it's like on a platform that moves.
Yeah,
It's
I
really
don't
cool.
know. But it's enjoyable.
Yeah. So we're about to go down this cool little alley that a lot of people don't really use.
This is from that movie, The Sting, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that, I think.
I've never seen it. You've seen it though.
Yeah, I think this is from The Sting. This is a cool little area, like kind of a cool little side alleyway across from the Mummy, over where Transformers is.
Here we go.
This stage is about to explode with major peaking power. Together, are you joking? It's going to be spicy, no? Enough smiling! Now, it's time for the big finish! Genius, bring out the finale! No, not that! This! I'm a genius!
We're leaving, and I'm so sad.
We're not. We
But
got one more. We
we're
got
gonna
2
have
more
another
days. We
day
got
tomorrow-
a break
or-
day tomorrow, and then
Yeah,
we
I
got
keep saying tomorrow, but
we got Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Is Islands of
We're going to
Adventure.
Islands of Adventure.
That's gonna be a
But
long.
this was
day.
so nice. This was probably, even though like when we lived out here and we would come here and you know we would like spend the day or whatever, this was probably the most relaxing trip of this that I've ever done. I guess just we know all the what's what about this place, and it was just a real nice relaxing day.
Oh, yeah.
So it's kind of sad that it's over. But it was a good day.
So we found this Shrek section in this store, and it is hilarious. This shirt right here is really good, but this one right here, oh, Gingy is the man. I love this shirt. So cool. All kinds of Shrek stuff. we just watched the fireworks. That was something else.
Yeah, so the fireworks really like blew our minds. I don't know, we weren't really expecting a whole lot. I had seen the old fireworks like several years ago, and they were just kind of like, okay, but this was fantastic.
Yeah,
like,
it reminded me, like it was water, but it was almost on par with the Star Wars fireworks at Hollywood Studios at Disney World. I really enjoyed it. The movie selection they chose to like showcase on the water was really good. Though everything with the music and the water, everything was just really cool.
It was great.
Video can't do it justice. You have to be here to see it. It's really cool.
Yeah.
But our day was great. We're pretty tired, so we're gonna go back and get some pizza and some salad and just chill out the rest of the night.
Yeah.